Hello guys! Today, we're going to make a flower frame with lights. And yes, I speak in English again. Bala na, magbaki ka basta practice ta. This is actually something new that I just discovered. I've been a bit busy lately with my projects, but I got inspired again after seeing other crafters. They are so good and really professional while I'm still new and using fuzzy wire. Siyempre, bago pa talaga ako dito guys, dito sa fuzzy wire. For this project, I use 4 different colors because they look really beautiful together. I also added lights and beads. And wow, it turned out so elegant and eye-catching. Napakaganda talaga kapag natapos mo na ang ginagawa mo, tapos with light pa, ay bongga. To my followers, if you like this, you can definitely try and recreate it. And if you want a tutorial, just let me know. I'll be happy to make one for you. Mag-comment ka lang dyan sa baba na tutorial. I'm almost done, guys. O, diba? Napakaganda talaga itong fuzzy wire. Lalo na yung mga kulay. Medyo nahihirapan na ako magdikit kasi nga napakaliit itong ginagawa ko. Don't forget to comment where this video has reached, and you can also suggest what I should create next. And of course, share this video. You might be the next one I choose for a special blessings. Thank you for watching.